Today we are going to introduce the most important topic, the MRC exams like JEE, AM, CRA and other etc. The selection procedure will be going on like CBT paper. There is a two parts, Tier 1, Tier 2. Tier 1 is included technical and non-technical part, and Tier 2 there is a only English part. In Tier 1 we have 120 marks. 2/3 marks will be calculated like 80, and Tier 2 there is 60 marks. 1/3 marks will be calculated like 20. Total score will be 80 plus 20. Here we have the most important topic, English journal part of speech. Last year papers we have noticed that 12 questions are coming in the last year papers. That's why we are going to firstly discuss about the part of speech. In part of speech we have 8 parts like noun. The first part is introducing a noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, thinking, ideas. For example, man, butter, college, house and happiness. As we have read about all these things in 10th class or 12th class, but there is a time to recall all the things. Here we have a next part, pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. For example, she, we, they, it. If we are going to introduce a person, we use the she. If we introduce a group of a person, we use they. Here we have our next topic, verb. A verb expresses actions or being. For example, like jump, someone is jumping. Write, the someone is writing. Here we have our next topics like adjective. An adjective modifies or describes nouns. For example, pretty, she is very pretty. Old, grandma is very old. Here we have a next topic, adverb. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, gently, she washed the clothes very gently. She is extremely happy. Here we have our next topic is preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun. Preposition हमेशा noun से पहले placed की जाती है और pronouns to form a phrase or modify another word in the sentences. For example, by, with, about, until. She is ready to going with us. We are going to talk about cricket. Here we have our next topic is conjunction. A conjunction joins the word, phrase or clauses. For example, and, but, or while or because. Interjection. An interjection is a word used to express emotions like, oh, she is very beautiful. Wow, the dress is very nice. I hope you like this video and analyze all the topic which is very important for your exam, which gain you 60 marks in the Tier 2. Thank you.